well, fuck that shit.
Wait. Ran's feet are. Wait, are they jump? Oh, Ran's feet are invisible for me.
Okay.
Oh, shotgun.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
that's
wait, that's a lot of shot. Wait!
A lot of
Wait,
ammo.
this is definitely end game. There's no shot. Damn.
Shit, bro.
This
okay,
is
okay.
This is a room.
Man has the crib and
Like-
everything.
Wait, what's
Oh, yo,
this?
we can
Lore,
play
lore,
pool.
lore.
Holy
Wait,
shit.
cross burn demons?
Lower?
Crossburn demons, alright.
Oh, we need Jesus.
Wait, need Jesus.
We need Jesus, goddammit. Damn! Hey, yo, someone want to join?
Hot tub stream. Hot tub
Oh shit,
stream.
alright.
And then, okay, I hate. Why would you do this? Like, you can't even see like 95% of your screen. Why would
Makes
you?
no
God
sense.
damn it!
I'm vaping,
Fucking-
boys.
Oh,
Oh,
vaping.
okay. Whoa, I did not mean to do that.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
What the fuck?
What's in here?
Okay. We need a hand.
I got it.
Oh,
My
I'm
hand.
doing it, I guess.
Okay, we're both doing it apparently.
Alright, all of us are doing it. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys.
go.
Together.
Okay.
Together.
Together,
Out
friendship.
with the lights.
Wait, what the hell is that? Is that
this
lava?
lava?
Wait.
Oh my!
Is that?
Oh,
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 that
it's
is.
lava. It's lava.
It's dripping
Yo,
down.
they got. Yo, what level are we on, bro? What the shit?
Oh, shit. We in the nether?
are we gonna find diamonds?
We gonna find
Yeah.
diamonds.
Okay. thank God.
You jump straight into lava.
Oh,
Big
Alright.
monster
wait,
burning
it's a
alive
monster!
down.
Oh!
Wait,
It's dead
what?
long legs.
Fuck, my bug shards aren't long enough to hit them.
Oh!
Fucking-
Holy.
Oh god, somebody saw that.
What
Who's
the
that?
hell
Oh.
is this? Where the hell are we?
We're mining, bro.
We're definitely in the nether. What the fuck? Oh,
Oh.
there's a lot
Oh,
of
there's
spiders.
so many of them.
There's a lot of spiders.
Oh my god, you see that?
Oh, shit.
Holy fuck.
It just goes deeper and deeper.
Okay, that's
God.
about it. Oh, my.
Damn.
It goes deeper, man.
Hey, who has Jesus?
I'ma just.
Pull out your Jesus card.
Alright. Jesus compels you! Ooh. Ah! Take that! Take
Show him
Jesus!
Jesus. Show
Take
him Jesus.
Jesus! Take Jesus! You guys are afraid of him! Because you guys don't know the truth!
You
Oh.
don't know the truth.
Oh, there's two spiders down here.
Fuck you.
Jesus!
Fuck you.
Jesus!
Wait,
Oh!
They're
Oh!
burning. Wait, they're actually burning.
What?
Use a cross. Use a cross.
Oh. Jesus!
Oh!
Take it! Take it! Jesus! Take Jesus!
Let me get up here. Ah.
Jesus!
Oh.
They're burning. I'm burning them with Jesus. Take this. Burn!
And
Burn! Burn.
Oh,
I
I'm
made
Max.
I made zip lines, and if y'all can see it,
Yeah. Can I take this? Whee! We're going down.
Or can't
Cube
move.
activates every 8 cycles.
What?
Wait, what?
On lower, yes, I think you guys missed it.
Oh, that's fine. So the cube Wait, the cube what?
Cube activates every 8 cycles. I don't know
So
what
every
that-
8 cycles.
I
What
don't know
cube?
that
so
And
every-
8
every
cycles.
12
Yeah,
hours.
it's okay. Yeah, cube and 8.
mean by season, so.
Oh,
shit.
the lore! The lore! Stay in the cube!
Demons. What is with this cube? This like this Fortnite cube event is going crazy right now. Oh, okay. There's some just stuck down there.
Yeah, that's not
He
our
just
problem.
failed you, bitches.
Jesus! Jesus!
Jesus!
Jesus! Back off!
Jesus.
Let you guys
Back
deal with
off!
them.
Right.
I'm gonna let you guys
Back
deal with
off.
this one guy.
Hey.
Ah!
Bitch.
Oh,
He
no.
Whoa! What is that? Look at this big ass open area.
Bro, we
Oh.
are really in the nether, huh?
Potential!
Holy fuck.
Potential!
Okay, you really okay.
I saw an opportunity and I took it.
All right, let's go.
I got Jesus with us.
Keep your friends
Oh,
close.
it is. Yep.
Who the hell is
What?
you?
What the heck?
Wait, he's in the cube. Wait,
Stay inside the
we're in
cube.
the cube.
Oh no. Oh,
Wait.
oh.
Oh!
Wait,
Oh!
what? Is that Kelvin? What the fuck is that?
Was this all because of the golf course?
Wait, is it?
Why is he showing us this?
What the shit?
What the fuck is happening?
I'm
Oh,
so
no,
confused.
You idiot.
What?
You is stupid.
What is
Oh,
that? What the fuck?
What is it?
Dupe glitch, boys.
Oh my god, this is Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness.
Oh,
Oh!
Fuck. We're in the future.
What?
are we on Mars?
What the fuck?
Kelvin?
What is
Wait,
Kelvin
did we
doing
have
here?
to
How did
like
he get
him?
here?
Yo, Kelvin, we got Kelvin, boys.
What is happening?
Are we turning?
We might be. What?
Wait.
What?
Oh,
So is it just telling
Huh?
us?
it was just an illusion. Wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
wait,
it's
she
kinda
turned. What the fuck?
What the fuck is happening?
I'm so confused. What?
Wait.
Oh, I
what?
want to know
What's
this
wrong?
lore.
She's dying.
Did we-
Wait, huh?
Did we beat the game?
Did we
Wait.
just beat the game?
No, shall we be the game?
We were even trying to beat the game. What?
Wait, why she
No.
died?
Huh?
Wait.
Okay.
Ah!
Just pop
Oh,
up.
Wait, what
Wait.
is that? Wait.
go get my shit. Hold up.
Yeah, what the
Wait, I'm
fuck?
still loading. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
We're just picking up shit.
Oh,
What the
fight
fuck?
demons
Oh, it's either we
Oh.
leave or we stay.
and fight.
Oh, Yinkon's in the cutscene. Why is it all dark now? What is
Yeah,
happening?
Let me pick up my shit.
Bye.
Fight demons.
Oh.
Can I destroy the plane? Helicopter. Let me destroy it. No.
Wait. I picked
Oh.
up my eye. Why is it so dark now? Oh my god.
I'm like waiting for like a missile to hit it. Like I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm waiting for like a missile to go.
Oh, you're not going on my watch.
Yeah.
Uh oh. Okay.
Oh! Thunder right next to me, man.
No shot. That's it.
What do we do now?
What do we do?
Is that
I feel like we didn't even do anything.
Somebody
Hey,
wanna say Tom?
run it back.
Use your brain. Use your brain to see if we did
Hold
it.
on. Hold on. I believe there are multiple endings.
Yeah, so run it back.
So we're just gonna go back in that cave then?
No,
Uh.
I think that's the only ending, and that's it. Unless we run it back.
There is a secret ending, but then it's not really. It doesn't change much. That's it. Just-
So did we beat the game?
Wait.
Good.
So the good ending is leaving.
Yeah, so run it back
Ah.
and then leave.
It just rolls the credits.
Just the helicopter.
No, but she should be in the what do you call it? In the cube with us.
I fell through the map.
Oh, okay.
I'm literally running and I just fell through the map. Great.
Back rooms. You really can't escape the back rooms. can
I
you,
can't
Dustin?
escape the back room. It's
I'm
so
stuck.
dark.
I'm stuck.
God damn it. Oh,
Can I get a red?
I can't see. I'm drowning.
Did
and
you die?
I'm
Yes,
drowning.
Okay.
I'm trying to reboot, buddy. Where'd
Nope.
it go?
It doesn't auto equip for me, and I'm up in the surface.
Oh,
Oh,
so-
I think it's a perfect ending. Me falling through the floor, getting the back rooms again. That's a fitting ending.